Welcome back, everyone. It is time now for Money Matters Monday, and an important part of lifetime planning is the power of attorney. Do you have one? Do you need one? Do you even know what one is? We're going to answer all those questions for you this morning, thanks to our new friends Katie Miles and Brian Quinn, who are attorneys with Quinn Estate and Elder Law, and they're part of the Circle of Advisors, here to talk about why power of attorney is so important. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
I've realized as I get older, as my parents in particular age, that this can be a vitally important thing. But to start with a level playing field, define power of attorney for us. What is that?
A power of attorney is a legal document where you can appoint decision makers to act on your behalf. There are two types of powers of attorney. There's one for healthcare purposes and one for financial purposes.
And why do you think these are so important to have?
If you lose what we call decisional capacity and no longer have the ability to make your own decisions, the power of attorney allows the people that you trust, that you've named on those documents that you've chosen, to step in on your behalf and make decisions for you. Without the power of attorney documents in place, if you no longer have decisional capacity, your loved ones may need to go through a court process to obtain a guardianship or a conservatorship to be able to make decisions on your behalf.
And at that point, you're already in a stressful time in your life. You're already in duress. You're not going to make the best and most informed decisions. You're going to feel like the clock is against you. But let me throw this one at you. Let's say that you appreciate this idea, you think it's a good concept, but you're not necessarily comfortable putting all of that decision-making ability in one person's hands. Can you appoint kind of joint decision makers?
Absolutely. You can appoint joint decision makers. You can appoint 2 or 3 people to be your agents on your behalf, and you can require them to agree, or you can allow them to act independently.
Okay, that's good to know. So you hear multiple terms. You hear power of attorney, you hear durable power of attorney. I feel like the difference there is important. What is that difference?
Durable is a very important word, and it means that the power of attorney survives and remains in effect. It has legal force if you lose decisional capacity.
Okay, so Brian, let me ask you this question. Who is the right candidate for having these conversations within their families?
Probably any qualified attorney. We at Quinn Estate and Elder Law really specialize in the estate planning field, and the powers of attorney to us are really your most important estate planning document. But I also think that it's really important to have advisors in place, good financial advisors, good tax advisors that can help you execute on some of these powers of attorney. I have family members all the time coming into my office saying, I'm going to appoint this person, I think they'll do a really good job, but how can I make sure that I surround them with a team of other advisors that can help them execute this? So that's why we are a part of the Circle of Advisors here, and we are the legal arm of that, and again, powers of attorney are your most important estate planning document.
It's an important piece of the puzzle, but it is just one piece of the puzzle.
Correct.
Absolutely.
Is this something that people of all ages, all stages in their life should think about doing, at least have those conversations?
Once you turn 18, yes, absolutely.
Wow. I mean, I don't think we can get much more blunt than that. If you're of legal age, it's time to start talking about a power of attorney. Because again, the last thing you want is to be incapacitated and have people making decisions for you that you don't want making decisions for you. Thank you for the frank conversation, guys. We appreciate it.
Thank
If
you.
you would like to get in touch with a Securus advisor, part of that circle of advisors that Brian mentioned, they'll give you a free consultation. Super easy. You can call them 636-720-1900 or 800-720-4252. Or check them out online. The website is circleofadvisors.com. Guys, I just learned a lot, like really, and we've even talked about this on the show before, but every time we discuss it, I pick up something else.
Very important.
Yep.
Thank